Hello friends, how are you all? Today I am going to discuss about monocot root internal structure. So first let us take ground plan. In this ground plan you can see three regions: epidermis, cortex and stele. Epidermis is the outermost part of the root, stele is the innermost part of the root, and in between epidermis and stele there will be presence of cortex. Now let us take a part of ground plan that is called as sector and discuss in detail about all the parts in monocot root, right? So this is the sector. So here the first part is known as epidermis. Epidermis is made up of with single layered cells, and this epidermis, it protects internal parts of the root, and epidermis is also consists of root hairs. Actually these root hairs, they helps in the absorption of water and minerals. Presence of root hair is one of the important character of root epidermis. That's why root epidermis is also called as epiblemma. And epidermis is followed by cortex. Cortex is completely made up of with parenchymatous tissue. Here you can see intercellular spaces also. And the last layer of cortex is known as endodermis. Endodermis is also made up of with single layered cells, and the cells are barrel, okay, barrel shaped cells. Endodermal cells, they consist of a special type of thickenings. They are called as Casparian thickenings, right? So endodermis is the last part of cortex. So this is one of the very important question for you people in coming Neet examinations and Aiims also. They will ask which part is the last part of cortex. Then you need to give the answer like endodermis, right? Next, stele. Stele starts with pericycle. Pericycle is made up of with single layered cells. Okay. Here pericycle helps in the formation of lateral roots. Very, very important point. Pericycle helps in the formation of lateral roots. After that, inner part of the stele is made up of with vascular tissue. So vascular tissue means phloem and xylem. This is the xylem and this one is the phloem. Xylem helps in the transport of water and minerals, whereas phloem helps in the transport of food materials. The important food material which is transported by the phloem is known as sucrose, right? And here if you observe, so many xylem elements are arranged, xylem rays are arranged. So if you count like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 xylem rays are there. So presence of 8 xylem rays, 8 or more than 8 xylem rays is the characteristic feature of monocot root. This character is called as a polyarch. Presence of 8 xylem rays is called as a polyarch, and xylem alternately it consists of here phloem. Okay, and this type of vascular bundles are known as radial vascular bundles, right? And at the center of the stele there will be presence of parenchymatous tissue, and this is called as pith or medulla. So here this part is called as pith or medulla. Okay, so this is the detailed explanation of monocot root internal structure. Thank you.